The start of digital currencies marked a time of progress in the world of money. The flexibility of digital forms of money offers many benefits to people who invest in them. Popular digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum Wave, Litecoin, and so on, each had their own advantage trend to follow, but they're really proud of it. A test of openness, transparency, and huge exchange fees. Let's take a quick look at the current prices and details of BCH to understand the Bitcoin Cash price prediction for what's to come. This was the right thing to buy. In the middle of 2017, a group of developers gave the world BCH, which stood for Bitcoin Cash. They knew that Bitcoin's huge capacity could be expanded through a hard fork that would make the block size limit bigger, so on August 1, 2017, BCH came into being. Bitcoin Cash. The details of how it works. Bitcoin Cash's main goal was to solve problems with rising exchange rates and arguments about shared transactions on a centralized server and security. This BCH was ready to work with the increase in block size from 1 megabyte to 8 megabytes. This made the swap process go much faster. Bitcoin Cash's price is based on cryptographic techniques that rely on zero-exposure proof and the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-enabled exchange, which is cross-checked without revealing any verifiable information or message about the other party involved with the exchange. As a result, security deterrence is captured first. A great thing about this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and ensures lightning-fast speed of additional exchanges. Once Bitcoin Cash made its appearance known, the standard functions of Bitcoin Cash stopped being noticed. Ziglu, a London-based digital bank, decided to support English pounds in several digital currencies, such as BTC and LTC. Now, BCH2 customers of the digital bank can make P2P payments through the company or other banks in the UK. A deep dive into Bitcoin Cash's basic numbers tells a very different story, even though it has a lot of potential for the future and promises to move to a block size of 8 megabytes. There are many reasons for the token to work harder to coordinate with its size against its rivals. A big reason for this is that both financial backers and diggers are on the same side, as the parent Bitcoin ACH is using about 2.1% of its block limit. The technical rigid could also be expected to bring back the price. The engineers had to do a lot of work over to show that they were less dumb when they made radical changes to the project's basics. This could help the BCH price and market cap reach new highs. Still, Bitcoin Cash's price history hasn't changed much. It's been volatile and closely tied to the overall market. On December 20, 2017, just a few days after it was created, a single Bitcoin Cash was worth more than $4,000, and the price kept going up. It seems strange that the coin has started losing money quickly, and the price has dropped from that high level by a lot today, according to retail financial backer records. Wagers and our intricate instruments. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash digital money skipped to a colossal level. The typical cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many began seeing this as a contender instead of a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, an ensuing rectification cut statements by practically 30%. In November, the following period of development started against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades. The coin began a cost recuperation, making a memorable high of $430 with a market cap being $70 billion. Nonetheless, from the start of this current year, the Bitcoin cost has been making predictable development. The improvement of developments in conventions has a ton to thank at this symbolic cost. A few specialized errors were capable throughout the mining in and out present presentation of new programming that went ruined. This is supposed to be answerable for the descending twisting from the BCH at first in 2017 until it dropped to these years, being quite possibly of the most seasoned player in the digital currency market. Bitcoin Cash value and the future of Bitcoin have gained trust and legitimacy among large businesses. The blockchain's real-world applications have also covered many important areas that venture companies might be interested in. Bitcoin Cash's large community of engineers who work on the blockchain's convention upgrades could also be seen as an innovative advantage by large businesses. Bitcoin Cash has been a panacea for application engineers for a while now. Because of Bitcoin Cash, answers to real problems like money transfers and distributed finance have been found. Because Bitcoin Cash has shown so much dedication, it has the support of all the business crypto world experts, who firmly believe that Bitcoin Cash backed by a major powerful algorithmic science and a steady past presentation can be wise venture advice as long as contract. The price of the coin has been going in a different direction about once every 2 or 3 years. In 2023, Bitcoin Cash is expected to have a base price of $112.56 and a maximum price of $273.46, according to Bitcoin Cash price expectations. There is a chance that Bitcoin Cash will cause a small recovery in 2023, but by the end of that year, the BCH price will recover its lost strength and go over $250. Mark, there's no such thing as a Bitcoin Cash value forecast for 2024 saying that it's a great chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It's more likely that Bitcoin Cash will run the crypto market with an exhibition price fixed around $347.50 in the long run, and Bitcoin Cash is expected to hit a low of $227.50 and an average of $287.50. Bitcoin Cash has the most ability to keep going and fill reliably, even when things aren't going well. According to our BCH price prediction, there will be a big difference between the new Bitcoin Cash price and the current price. Bitcoin Cash price prediction 2025: if the BCH price stays high for a long time and more people start using it, it is possible that Bitcoin Cash will be worth more than its all-time high. This is based on our BCH price predictions. Bitcoin Cash is expected to cost a minimum of $300.30 and a maximum of $458.70. This means that, based on Bitcoin Cash price predictions, it will be worth an average of $379.50 in 2025. Based on our own research and estimates of how much Bitcoin Cash will cost, the BCH price forecast for 2026 is 509.90.75 BCH. This helps you handle your money well and at the right time. Bitcoin Cash is expected to have a base price of $386.75 and an average price of $590.75 in